Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agarwal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Many of the viewers and subscribers are asking me how to save all the bulbs of the dahlia, tubers of the dahlia. This is the starting of April month and all the flowers are drying up and the plants are drying up here, and you have to collect the bulbs or all the tubers from here. You have to collect, and I am showing you how to collect. These are the all dried up. Just take here the cutting here, cut down here and cutting the stems from here, and this is the basal portion of the plant. I will take out from here all the soil and all the tubers from here. Just keep on watching. So friends, this is the backyard of my garden. These are all the pots of the dahlia, and I have cut here. You can see all the stems are cut here, and now these are all dried up. So I am taking it out here. This is the root ball here. So friends, this one is here. This is the tuber of dahlia. So I will dry it up for around 12 hours, and then I will keep in under shade of just in such a condition in shade that the airflow will be total airflow should be there, and it will be totally covered with the upside. This will be covered with some of the bamboo sticks, and there will be some base here, and here I will keep it. Just keep on watching. I am giving you where I have visited today. And earlier in the morning I visited in the nursery in the Muchisa, the commercial nursery of dahlia. They are keeping the dahlias, all the tubers here. They have dried it up and keeping up in this shade. Just have a look of that video, how we have done there, and all the processes in the nursery. Just keep on watching. I am giving you all the details of the saving of the dahlia tubers. These are all the bulbs you can see. They are uprooted 15 days back from the plants, bottom of the plants there, and they are all these you can see. These are all the bulbs here from the dahlia, and these are all uprooted from the plants, and they are kept in here. These are the cardboard here, and these are all the bamboo sticks. All these are here. You can see over the cover here, over there, and some green nets also are here. Just to maintain the low temperature here, you have to keep it only dried condition. You don't have to water it in any condition. Don't water it. This will be stayed here for around 4 months, and when the August or September months comes in, you have to grow these bulbs here, and I am showing you what is the techniques of growing the bulbs here in the soil mix. And just ordinary soil mix, you have to keep it, and at the month of August and September you have to grow these bulbs, and all the new the shoots will come out from here, and you have to take cuttings from there, and the cuttings will grow. All the varieties of dahlia plants you can get here. These are all the hundreds and hundreds and dahlia bulbs are here. So friends, in the month of August and September, what you do, take around 8 inch of this pot, and here, and I am filling it up soil here. Soil is mixed with the garden soil, some of the vermicompost and little bit of bone meal. If you don't have bone meal, you can skip that, and you have 20% compost and 80% garden soil mixed here. Just fill it up here totally. Just put this entire bulb here. If you want, you can small here, you just put it and just cover it with soil and keep under shade. Just cover it in this way, and the next step is to water them and keep it under shade, and within 15 days you can see all the sprouts will come out, and from the sprouts you just take cuttings and grow in the sand. And that I have video in my channel how to take cuttings from this dahlia, from this, and how to grow in the sand. Just check out that video in my channel how to take cuttings from the dahlia. And this is all, and just keep it here for around 10 to 15 days, all will sprout out. So this is the methodology of how to save the tubers of the dahlia. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the various gardening techniques and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.